Hey everybody, I'm watching Tom Brady play on the Buccaneers in the playoff game versus the Saints. So I got my Buccaneers hat.
Hey Finn, want to see what I found outside the front door?
Yeah, what'd you find outside the front door? You know what I think it is? The sails.
Well, it has a big O/Q.
How heavy is it?
I can't lift
Oh,
it
wow.
up. Yeah.
Wow.
Is it both sails?
Looks like it's bursting at the seams. I would imagine it's both sails. Let's see. Let's bring it in. Let me get Michael, see if he'll help me.
It arrived.
All right, looks like my new mainsail and my new foresail. That's exciting.